Hey everybody, I'm your man Dennis Pitzenberger, SEMA 2019. I am in the Hellion booth with none other than John Yurst. You guys have grabbed hold of a new market, and for you, it's got to be exciting to spread the news.
Definitely. We've got the Chrysler LX platform. We've got a new kit that'll cover 2006 through 2019 V8s, 5.7, 6.1, 6.2, 6.4, all one part number, twin turbos.
John, this is exciting news because I know guys that run your kits that are in daily cars. They bolt on drag radials and they go 850s, 860s, and 160s. But now the LX platform is going to be able to have your technology. Start from the top. Where did all this come from?
We knew that this car had so much potential, and all we needed to do was build a system that can bolt on with no cutting and take the modern turbo technology and apply it to the amazing Hemi engine. And that's what we did here. So it's a brand new, from from the ground up build, 2-inch primary headers, dual T4 turbos. That allows us to have anywhere between a 62 and a 68 millimeter turbo size, which will make us have our horsepower. This car here, 5 PSI makes 600 to the tire. You upgrade the turbos to 68s and turn it up with appropriate engine mods, you can make 2,000, and anywhere in between. I mean, it's amazing. We're so excited. Been working on it. It's finally here, and it's time to put these things in the winner's circle, drag strips everywhere.
Talk about the kit specifically. Now, you said bolt-on, and that's what people really have always known your systems for, the simplicity. It works great, but it's getting it in the car without having to cut, modify. And if you do want daily driver big horsepower all the way, like you said, up to 2,000, talk about the kit itself and its relatability to the ease of installation. Exactly.
Well, when you buy a car like this, it has nice power. They've done a nice job. It's time to step it up. You want to buy something, we send you nice boxes, you open it up, all the pieces are there, a checklist that tells you everything that you have. If you have a little bit of mechanical ability, you can bolt these turbos on just like any other aftermarket part that you would normally do. And in the end, in most cases, we can double the horsepower in a couple of days. There's nice options for this car now, but the game has changed. I mean, a twin turbo kit from Hellion is going to put this thing in the next stratosphere.
I think a lot of people are also going to want to know about those basics of fuel, air, and spark. Do you have to modify anything for that basic kit? I mean, a lot of people are going to wonder about fuel pressure, about injector capabilities. With that basic kit, are they going to have to worry about any of that?
We send everything needed in our complete kit to put this thing on the road. So the computers are so amazing, we can upgrade the injectors to whatever fuel you'll need for whatever power you need. We send the programming to program the computer for boost. So you have a normal, you start this thing up, purrs like a kitten, idles, drives normal like nothing's there. You put your foot in it, this thing wakes up and, hauls ass.
I also now want to dive more into that technology you're talking about as far as the boost controller. Talk about the research and development that goes into these kits, because I know it's not something you just slap together. Obviously, you've taken the time and all your experience to come up with a kit that is complete. Talk a little bit about that research and the development behind all of this.
Just like any car, as the cars have gotten better, the advertised horsepower, the comfort level, that's the same in our world. So as technology has gotten better, we've learned and we create a better system, a better way to install, more durability, more comfort, better pricing. I mean, for the price that we sell this kit for, it's a bargain. It's the most fun you'll ever have. I mean, that's why we buy these cars to go fast. We don't buy them to go slow, and that's what we did.
All right, John, once again, you've proved that the technology you bring to the automotive market can make people happy because they get more power. I'm really excited to see where these cars are going to go, but if people want more information about your products on any platform, where do we send them?
Definitely. Go to www.hellionturbo.com or reach out to Hellion Turbo on any of the social media platforms.
You heard the guy, hellionturbo.com. It is SEMA 2019.